The coronavirus outbreak will have a bigger impact on the aviation sector than SARS did. The assessment of the Transport Minister, who says, quote, an effective, meaningful and timely package will be rolled out to help those in the industry and retailers at Changi Airport, whose business has been or has taken a significant hit.
Well, the measures, they're going to be similar to those introduced during the SARS crisis back in 2003. Details will be announced in the upcoming budget, and here's Tan Se-Hui with more.
Since the novel coronavirus outbreak, Transport Minister Boon said flights at Changi Airport have shrunk by 70 to 80% and traffic volume has fallen by 60 to 70%. He said the impact is greater this time compared to the SARS crisis because China is now a larger market and tourism source for the region, including Singapore. Chinese travelers account for 11% of Changi Airport's traffic, compared to about 5% back then. Their purchasing power is also higher now, accounting for a third of retail sales at the airport. Transport Minister Boon came to Changi Airport's Terminal 3 because there's a high concentration of Chinese tourists, and he said the impact on retailers was much more evident here.
The concern, of course, is because on the retail side, especially, they employ large numbers of workers. I think the Changi Airport retailers must be 7,000–8,000 staff, and the companies are not doing well, and they have to retrench or curtail the workforce. Then many families will be affected. So, as I said, we are working out a package, and it will be in time for the budget, so that the companies, the airlines, the retailers, and through them the workers will be helped.
Some measures will include lower rental charges for retailers and parking rebates for airlines due to curtailed flights. During this downtime, Mr. Khaw also urged employers to retrain and upskill workers, and he had the same advice for the transport sector.
As you know, we are expanding Terminal 5, and this is the time to see how some of the construction projects, if we can bring forward, speed it up, we should. For example, land transport side, we are going to ramp up cycling infrastructure, and I told LTA, speed up here.
Mr. Khaw said this will help create jobs for construction companies alongside better infrastructure paths for small and medium enterprises. Mr. Khaw, who was health minister during the SARS crisis, also urged Singaporeans to persevere with good hygiene practices.